So the question is, how can an adult use the OLAYBACT Kids and Teen Fairness Lotion as a skin maintenance lotion? I'll be sharing with you guys 3 tips and tricks on how to use the OLAYBACT Kids and Teen as a skin maintenance and skin glow lotion. So the first tip. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have not been as consistent as I should. I've been dealing with a lot of personal issues, and at some point I got really sick, and I had to take time to recuperate and get back on my feet to make sure that I'm strong enough so that I don't break down again. So now I'm back, I am better, and I promise you guys I'm going to give you guys more videos than you've been getting in the past few weeks, past few months. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of the OLAYBACT Kids and Teen Fairness Lotion as a maintenance and skin glow lotion for adults. I have done a review of this lotion before for kids, but this time around in this video I'm going to be sharing how an adult can use the OLAYBACT Kids and Teen Fairness Lotion as a skin maintenance lotion or a skin glow lotion. I already did a review on this lotion, how beneficial it is, how nourishing it is, and what it can do on your child's skin. So if you have not seen that video, I'll paste the link below this video so you can go and watch it. So the interesting fact about the OLAYBACT Kids and Teen Fairness Lotion is that apart from the fact that it is amazing for kids, it is also very good for adult skin as well. An adult can use this lotion as a skin maintenance lotion or a skin glow lotion. First of all, we need to understand what is skin maintenance. So skin maintenance is simply what a person does. For example, someone that is trying to lighten their skin and they have gotten to a particular threshold, or they've gotten to a particular goal and they do not want to exceed that goal, and they do not want to go below that goal, which simply means that they do not want to either get lighter or get darker. So what do? They get a skin maintenance lotion to help them to maintain their complexion. Skin maintenance lotions are usually very mild. They are nourishing. They contain ingredients that helps to nourish and glow the skin. Skin maintenance lotions are not lightening lotions, and they are not whitening lotions. Skin maintenance lotions are lotions that nourish and feed your skin with the ingredients, with the nutrients that it needs. And this is where the OLAYBACT Kids and Teen comes in, because it has lots of beneficial ingredients in this lotion. The OLAYBACT Kids and Teens contains shea butter, it contains coconut oil, and it contains vitamins that will feed your skin and give your skin this natural glow. So the question is, how can an adult use the OLAYBACT Kids and Teen Fairness Lotion as a skin maintenance lotion? I'll be sharing with you guys 3 tips and tricks on how to use the OLAYBACT Kids and Teen as a skin maintenance and skin glow lotion. So the first tip: if you are someone on a skin lightening journey, which I advise that you do the safe way and you do the natural way, it is advisable that you take breaks. You don't go on using your lightening lotion continuously without taking breaks. Your skin will retaliate, your skin will get tired. So always learn to take breaks in between skin lightening. And when you take breaks, what do? You start with your skin maintenance lotions. This is where this OLAYBACT Kids and Teens comes in. You maintain your skin, you hydrate your skin, you nourish your skin with lotions that helps to moisturize and nourish your skin. Don't go lightening your skin without breaks. You are doing yourself more harm than good. Learn to take breaks, and when you're taking breaks, use skin maintenance lotion. You can use the OLAYBACT Kids and Teens Fairness Lotion as a skin maintenance lotion. So number 2 tip is for those of you that have lightened their skin. You've gotten to a particular goal and you say, oh, I don't want to get lighter than this, I don't want to get darker either. I like the shade I have currently and I want to maintain that shade. You can use the OLAYBACT Kids and Teens to maintain your current shade. I will do a video on how to lighten your skin without experiencing skin damage. So I would teach you guys how to actually take breaks, on what days you have to take breaks, on what days you have to use your lotions and how many days interval, just all those intricacies. I'm going to put you guys through all those things you need to do when lightening your skin to avoid skin damage. But if you're someone that you've gotten to the shade that you desire and you want to maintain that shade, you can use the OLAYBACT kit and tint lotion. So the third tip, if you are someone that have used lightening lotions in the past, or you've made mistake with lotions and they have damaged your skin, this is where you have to use lotions that help to nourish your skin and feed your skin with the nutrients that it needs. And also this is where the OLAYBACT kit and tint comes in. If you are someone that your skin has been damaged by chemical based products, I would advise that you desist from using all lightening products, including soap, scrub, oil. No lightening oil, no lightening soap, no lightening anything. Just stick to products that would nourish and feed your skin. In no time, you will get your skin's natural glow. So I have listed 3 tips on how to use the OLAYBACT kit and tint fairness lotion as a skin maintenance lotion. If you have kids and you need a lotion to nourish their skin, get this lotion. If you're an adult and you feel the need to maintain your skin tone, you can also get this lotion and you'll be glad that you did. Like I said in my previous video, this lotion has been clinically certified to be safe for use on the skin of kids. So that means that it's also safe for use on the skin of adults. So, you know now, I'll always do giveaway. So I'll be giving 2 of these lotions to 2 lucky subscribers. All you have to do is just indicate your interest in the comment section. I will pick randomly and these lotions will be delivered to you in your homes. If you're a mommy and you want a lotion that you and your child can use, you can get this lotion. If you're a mommy, you want your child's skin to glow, you can get this lotion. If you're an auntie and you want to maintain your skin tone, you can also get this lotion. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. See you in my next video.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life is sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just be in your sun's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody